Hello friends, welcome to RN Technologies. In this video we are going to explain you about the bank reconciliation system, how it works in Ultimate software. Okay, I hope you all are aware about what is bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation is a statement we should match with the bank balance as per our data entry mentioned in the system. Okay, so let us begin. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe RN Technologies channel, where you will come to know how does ERP system works and what are the options available in the ERP systems, accounting systems or computerized solutions. Okay, since we are a customized software, so we do customize as per client's requirement also. Okay, let us begin. So now I am in a financial year 2021, and here, as far as my knowledge is concerned, I have tallied my bank reconciliation up to 28th February 2021. Okay, and when I checked here, my bank statement shows 1,78,000 balance. Okay, so I will check this with my bank statement on February. Was it 178,180.08? So when I check here, yes, it was same balance. So my reconciliation till 28 Feb is tallied, so I will say yes, my reco is tallied. What is this sign? If you click here, yes, reco is tallied, so that means when anyone goes for the corrections of the entry, system will pop up him your account statement is matched with the bank statement. So before editing, please be sure. Okay, now how to do the entry of let's say I want to match my March month. So how does bank reconciliation work in RN Technologies? Okay, so basically this inquiry reports you are watching, what this column shows you only reporting part. From here you can see only reports, you can't do any data entry. So for data entry we have to go to the data recording menu. In this menu there is a bank reconciliation. Here I will click, I will select my bank, and I will select all the entries passed in that bank should highlight me. So what does it do? You don't have to mention here date. What does it do? It will highlight only those entries which are yet not marked for the as per the bank clearance. Okay, what is bank clearance? Means in your bank statement when this check was cleared, that is what you have to enter over here. So the my first entry shows that there was a 19,500 or loan account. So I will check here, was it there 19,500? Yes, it was. Yeah, so it was on 1st March. Okay, so I will highlight here same date. If I double click, automatically the entry date will appear, or else I can do the new entry also. Now second entry was 14,046 as a receipt. Yes, it was on 6th, so yes, the entry was also on 6th, so it is matching. Now next entry is 4,000, it was expenses, so 4,000 expense, yes, and 7,000 also expense, yes. So 4,000 expense was done on 12 March and 7,000 was done on 15 March. So I will say 12 March, yes, and 15 March, yes, it is matching. And then next entry was 5,000 on 18th March, payment made, and 23 was a bank charges on 18 March. So 5,000, okay, and 23.60 my bank charges. Okay, so I will clear this thing also, this thing also. Then again 118 was on 28th March, so 118 on 20th, yes, it matches. Anything else? So I will go here and I will check, was it anything else in the next entry? Oh yeah, no. So this is the my last entry which I have done. So when I say here exit, and here in the this entry portion, what we have done is that instead of going to basic book, after entry you want to get immediate statement, so you can say here, yes, I want to get the immediate statement. Now here I will check whether my bank statement is matching. So it says my as per bank balance statement and my statement, it should be 156,584.48. so it is 156,584.48. so my account is matching perfectly. So this is how you can do the reconciliation. Okay, the reconciliation report you can take on the A4 size paper as well as in Excel, and if Rico is telling you, say yes. So yes, make sure that entry is locked. So now if I go for any corrections of the data entry, it will show no, the reconciliation is already done. Still you want to edit, you can edit, but then that is your responsibility. So this is how bank reconciliations work in our systems. Okay, thank you.